Oil and gas is obviously a major part of the San Angelo economy. We're very pleased that we built a relationship with SMC Global leadership. They started off in a relatively small space, 25,000 square foot building, and one of their regional developers with the company, actually, it was kind of funny, he called me a couple of days after they moved into the building, and he said, "We've got a problem." Of course, my heart sank, and I thought, oh no, what happened? He said, "Well, we're out of room." And I kind of laughed. I said, "Well, I think we saw that coming, but I didn't see it coming this fast." Which was indicative that there's a good market here for the company.
San Angelo has offered us the ability to build a very strong team of people. It's also a little more strategically located than just being in the Permian, Midland, Odessa area, because from San Angelo we can easily reach New Mexico and Odessa, Midland area. It's an hour and a half away. We can also reach the South Texas area and the Eagle Ford, as well as Oklahoma.
And then, of course, kind of the crowning achievement of 2023 is the grand opening of their new facility.
This is actually an expansion to our current 3 sites that we have here in San Angelo. With it being an 8-acre site, we have about 14 storage tanks compared to our 4, 5 that we had previously. We have a telemetry system on all our storage tanks so we can actively see material levels at all times. We have a very detailed lab that we're able to have consistent results and samples that we can provide to our customers. We have 2 chemists on site that can do quality control.
We're a little unique in the fact that we source our raw materials directly from manufacturers throughout the entire process, from procurement, supply chain, manufacturing, all the way through delivery to the customer is completely within our control.
Anytime a customer comes to us, they always know they're going to get the same at all times. Consistency actually keeps customers loyal. That's a strength that we have and we've been able to maintain in the market, and it gets out there.
Well, when we started SMC in 1996, we worked out of our apartments and homes. We did everything ourselves. We started with basically no capital at all.
It was about just supplying products and trying to provide our customer with a competitive advantage. We have worked very hard on establishing a very solid supply chain by hiring the best-in-class people. So I think what sets us aside from other companies is an ultra focus in keeping our word.
As the world gets less and less personal and these companies get larger and larger, there's a need for a more personal touch where people can talk to individuals, build relationships, and we kind of call this a different kind of chemistry.